Greetings, class, and welcome to Nursing 615 Educational Methods and Strategies. I wanted to take just a few minutes of your time to help you navigate through the Brightspace course shell. So, I would encourage you to visit the Orientation and Important Resources tab. Here you will find both the syllabus as well as the course calendar, as well as the required textbooks for this course. Please do take time to review the syllabus as well as the course calendar. There primary assignments for this course. So one of those includes discussion. There are 6 weeks of discussion, and then there are 2 primary assignments. This includes both a lesson plan as well as a education or technology and education assignment. So please again do take some time to review the course syllabus and reach out if you have questions. When we take a look at the calendar, please note that the majority of modules do run over 1 week, with the exception of the last module, which does run over 3 weeks. Your assignments, specifically the lesson plan, as well as the technology and education assignments, are due those last 2 weeks. When we look at the Brightspace course shell, you will find modules relative to each week. You will find a number of resources relative to the National Council State Board of Nursing. You will find resources relative to nursing accreditation. If you have any questions, again, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to working with you this term. Thank you.